Hey guys, Dalton here again with another Audi Salt Lake City YouTube video. So today's video is going to be centered around the Audi Connection Manager. Now, we can consider this to be pretty much the connection hub where everything meets up connection-wise to the vehicle, whether it's wired or Bluetooth. So in here, we'll be able to manually manipulate different connections and disconnect certain devices manually from your vehicle MMI. So let's get into it. To get there, all we have to do is open up the car settings by going to the menu. Once we get there, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find the settings button. Then scroll down to Connection Manager. In Connection Manager, the primary phone will be the primary phone that your car connects to for its connection features like Bluetooth, telephone, etc. The secondary phone will be the one that your car connects to when the primary phone is unavailable for the exact same features. Scrolling down, we see the MMI Connect app, the Bluetooth player, and Wi-Fi player, and all the way down at the bottom we will find Audi Smartphone. So the Audi Smartphone is where we will find the connection to the Apple CarPlay system. When we click on this, a drop-down menu will come up with the device that your car is connected to. Make sure the box to the right is checked. If it isn't, when you plug your device into the car via USB, you will be able to charge it, but you will not be able to connect to Apple CarPlay. Okay, so now that I've clicked this in, it will take us right into Apple CarPlay. So that should answer the question that a lot of people have been asking recently is, why is my phone charging and not connecting to Apple CarPlay? So once that is checked in, it'll connect to Apple CarPlay and that should solve the problem. So now let's go down to Audi Smartphone again, or Apple CarPlay, and kind of see what other features we have. So we will click the right side drawer button, which is the button with what appears to be a C on it. Once we have clicked that in, it will open up a menu through which we can customize a couple connection features. So we have the Bluetooth settings, where we can turn on and off the Bluetooth player, we can make our Bluetooth visible, and change our Bluetooth name. Then we have online settings, which is just the data networking information from your vehicle. And then we have the Wi-Fi settings, where we can change the connection key or the Wi-Fi key, changing your name and making it visible and non-visible. Okay, now going back to the primary connection manager screen, we can connect new devices through all these different options: primary phone, secondary phone, MMI Connect app. We can connect the app to the car, Bluetooth player, and our Audi Smartphone, which is the Apple CarPlay. And there we go. I hope this was helpful and answered some of your questions. If you have further questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our info is in the description down below. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more information on your vehicle and what's going on in the Audi world. You guys take care.